Good morning children, once again welcome back. This is fourth video for standard 7. This video I am going to discuss powers and exponent. First of all, we have to know what do you mean by powers, what do you mean by base, what do you mean by exponential form, and what do you mean by laws of exponents and standard form and or scientific form. See, if a is any rational number and n is natural number, then a to the power n, I can write what? A to the power n means what? Suppose a to the power 2 means what? A into a. Same, a to the power n means what? It will count up to nth term, means a into a into a into a dot 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 multiply by n term. This, where a is known as base. See, this is known as base. A is known as base and n is known as power. Or index, and a to the power
n.
A to the power is known as what? Exponential form. This is known as exponential form. A to the power n is read as what? A to the power n or a power n. Now laws of exponent. If a to the power n into a to the power m are there, then we can write what? A to the power m n. And if a to the power m divided by a to the power n, I can write a to the power m by a to the power n means what? A to the power m minus n, where m is greater than n. Now a to the power 0, as we know, a to the power 0 means what? 1. Okay, a to the power m to the power n means a to the power m into n. A to the power n and b to the power n, I can write ab to the power n. A to the power n divided by b to the power n equal to, we can write what? A by b to the power n, or we can write a to the power n divided by b to the power n, where a b is not equal to 0. A to the power n, I can write what? A to the power n minus n, I can write a by, is 1 by a to the power n. Sorry, a to the power minus n, I can write
1 by a to the power
by
n.
a to the power
1 by
n.
a to the power
Example,
n.
a to the power minus 1, I can write what?
Minus 1, I can write
A by 1 by a. Exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Here express question 1. It is given as a fill in the blanks. 3 to the power 7 as the base and exponent. See, base and exponent. As we know, a to the power n. Here a is your base and exponent equal to what? N. So I can write base as a 3, exponent as a 7. Now here we have to find minus 2 by 3 to the power 5. We have to find out its value. So I can write minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. As we know, if minus 1 to the power even number means minus 1 to the power 4, it will be plus 1. If minus 1 to the power odd number, suppose minus 1 to the power 3, it will come minus 1. So here the what? Power is what? The number is minus, but power is also odd number. So we can write what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times of minus 2 by 3. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16, 32. And this is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 81, 243. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is odd number, so it will be minus. Write down please. Now see, question number 3/4, it is given a into a into a, c into c into c into c into d, write in the exponential form. We have to write in exponential form. So 1, 2, 3. So a to the power 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4 means c to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. C to the power 4 into d to the power nothing is there means only one d is there, d to the power 1, or you can write a to the power 3 c to the power 4 d to the power 1. This is your required answer. Now question number 6. 4 it is given that 2 to the power 10 which is greater, 2 to the power which is greater, 2 to the power 10 or 10 to the power 2 which is greater. According to the question, if you are going to compare with the base, it is greater, but first of all you have to see how many times of 10s are there. 10s are how many times of 2s are there. Sorry, here it is 10 10, here it is 10 is coming 2, so I can write what, this is 10 into 10 and this is what, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 into 2 8 into 2 9 into 2 9. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, here this is 10 into 10, this is 100. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, this is 64, 128, 256, 512 and this is 1024. According to the number, which one is greater? This one is greater, therefore 2 to the power 10 is greater than 10 to the power 2. This is your answer. Write down please. Now question number 8, exercise 4.1. This type of question is very important. To what power to the minus 2 should be raised to get 16? Let solution write down. Let x power to be raised. Let the power be of x, or let we can write let x power to be raised, or let power be x, or we can write let power be x. To be raised whom? Minus 2. So I can write according to the question minus 2 to the power x equal to 16. 16 I can write what? Means base we have to make minus 2. So what number I have to write instead of 16? I can write minus 2 to the power 4, because I told you if a number, means if a is your rational number and your power is positive, so this is also positive, so I can write, this is base same, I can write x to the power 4, because minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8 minus 8 into minus 2 16. So this is your required answer. Write down. So let the power be x, minus 2 I am raising what, x power, this is 16 I can write what, minus 2 to the power 4, therefore base cancel, x is equal to 4. Write down please. Now question number 10, first it is given what, find the value of x. Find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. Here it is given 7 to the power x equal to 343. So first of all we have to make base same. Here is base is given what, 7. So I can write 7 to the power, this is solution, 7 to the power x, 343 I can write what, 7 to the power 3. Now this base is same, therefore x equal to 3. This is your required answer. Write down please. Now we have to move exercise 4.2. Now exercise 4.2, here we have to use the formula laws of exponent. According to the question it is given, using laws of exponent simplify and write down the following in the exponential form. First question is 2 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 4. Here base is what, a to the power m into a to the power n. I can write what, here a equal to what, 2. So 2 to the power 7 plus 4, base same, power will be added. Therefore 2 to the power 11. This is your required answer. Write down please. Now question number 2 first. 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 7, 5 to the power 12. Remember, we have studied only a to the power m, a to the power n. But if means your higher classes, there is one more rule is there. If a to the power m, a to the power n, a to the power p. So we can write a to the power m plus n plus p. So this is m, n and p because base are same. So 5 to the power 3 plus 5 to the power 7 means when base are equal, then in the multiply case I can write when base are equal, so power will be added. Therefore this is 12. So this is 3, 7, 10, 5 to the power 22. Write down please. Now question number 4 first. It is given that simplify and write in the exponential form. Here it is given 5 to the power 3 into a to the power 3 into a to the power 5 by a to the power 3 to the power 2. So first of all let it be same only a to the power 3 into a to the power 5, and here a to the power m to the power n I can write what? A to the power m into n means 3 into 2. So therefore base same power will be added. So a to the power 8 here, a to the power 6. Now a to the power what? A to the power m divided by a to the power n. So I can write a to the power m minus n means 8 minus 6. Therefore it is what? A to the power 2. Write down please. Now question number 6 first. Same, simplify and write down in exponential form. Here it is given 2 to the power 4 into 2 7 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 6 by 2 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 4. First of all, here nothing is there. 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 6 by 2 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 4. First of all what? Base same power will be added. So 2 to the power 5. Here base same power will be added into 7 to the power 9. This is what? 2 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 4. Now I have to change this one into in the form of what? A to the power m by a to the power n. So this is divide only. I can write what? 2 to the power 5. This power will go up, sign will be changed. This will be minus 3 into 7 to the power 9. Here same, the power will go up, so sign will be changed. This is 4. So therefore 2 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 5. This is your required answer. Write down please. Question number 8 first. It is given simplify 2 to the power 5, 5 to the power 2 to the power 5 to the power 2, 7 to the power 3, 8 to the power 3 into 7. See here 8 is different number. This is okay. So I have to change this 8 into form of 2. So 2 to the power 5 means 5 to the power 2 means 2 to the power m to the power n. I can write m into n, 5 into 2, and this is as usual. Let it be same only. 7 to the power 3, 8 I can write 2 to the power 3 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 1. I can write or not? I can write. Now 2 to the power 10 into 7 to the power 3. This is a to the power m to the power n means m into n means 2 to the power 9 into 7 to the power 1 equal to what? Now same, 2 to the power 10 take 9, 2 to the power 9 up, it will be minus only into 7 to the power 3, now minus 1 only. So 10 minus 1, 10 minus 9, sorry, 1, 10 minus 9, 1. So 2 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 3 minus 1 is 7 to the power 2. Now you can leave your answer up to here, or you can write down like this is into 2 into 7 to the power 2 means 49 means 98. This is your required answer. Write down. This type of question is very important. Question number 10 second. This question is very important. See, first of all, within small bracket it is given minus 1 by 4 to the power 4, then curly bracket, its power is given minus 1, and then big bracket, the power is minus 2. First of all, we have to solve this part. So let it be big bracket remains same. Now curly bracket, 1 by 4, I can write what? 2, this is minus 1, m into n minus m into n means what? Minus mn. So I can write minus 1 by 4 to the power, this is what? Minus 2. Now this is what? Big bracket, minus 2. Here I can write what? This is big bracket. Now we have to work this part only. Okay, now big bracket, now remove the curly bracket means what? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 to the power what? Minus 2 into minus 2, this will be what? Minus 1 by 4 to the power plus 4. I told you, if minus 1 to the power, if positive number, it will become positive number. So therefore means it will come what? 1 by 4 into 4, 16 into 4, 64, then 256. This is your required answer. Write down please. Now question number 6 first. If minus 3 to the power x minus 1 equal to minus 243, find the value of minus x to the power x minus 7. First of all, remember, it is given what? Solution right now. Minus 3 to the power x minus 1. I have to manage this one is what? X to the power means base as a 3. So what I have to write? I can write what? Means 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3 is 27, 27 into 9 into 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27, 27 into 3, 81, 81 into 3, 81 into 3, this is your means 243, this is 3, yes, 243. So I can write this part as what? I can write 3 to the power minus 5. Now base same, base same, so I can write x, this implies that x minus 1 equal to 5, therefore x equal to means 6, because I am taking minus 1 this side, it will change into positive, so x equal to 5. We have to find out the value of whom? Now minus 7 to the power x minus 6. So here the value of x equal to what? 6. So minus 7 to the power 6 minus 6, that is what? Minus 7 to the power 0. As we know, a to the power 0 equal to 1. So I can write 1. This is your final answer of question 16. Now we have to move x means 4.3 scientific notation or standard form. P07, say after means 1 digit, the decimal will come. So I can write, because this is k, so k into 10 to the power n, because where k is what? K is your k is what? Greater than equal to 1, less than 10. Here it is 5, so 5 is what? Greater than 1 and greater than equal to 1 and less than 10. So this is your k, so I can write 10 to the power 3 by 10. Now this part I can write 5.307 into 10 to the power 3 minus, this is nothing, minus 1 only. So therefore 5.307 into 10 to the power 2. This is your required answer. Write down please. Now 34300 means 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. So standard form means, as we know, k is greater than equal to 1 less than 10 to the power n. So I can write this is 3 means this is what, less than 10 na. So 3.43, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5. I can write 10 to the power 5. Simple. After one digit you have to put decimal, count the number of digits 1 2 3 4 5, then that 5 as a power just raise to the power of 10. This is your required answer. Now expanding exponential form, the given question is what? 404,972 means ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So exponential form, as we know, to find out the exponential form, 2 into 10. After 2, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So 10 to the power 5. Then once again plus 7 to the power what? 7 into 10. 1 2 3 4. 10 to the power 4. Plus 9. After 9, how many digits are there? 1 2 3. So into 10 to the power 3. Now 4. After 4, how many digits are there? 1 2. So into 10, because I am expanding in the exponential form. So after 4, this is what? 10 to the power 2. Now this is 0 into 10 to the power 1. Now 4 into 10 to the power 0. So I can write down what? So 10 to the 2 into 10 to the power 5 plus 7 into 10 to the power 4 plus 9 into 10 to the power 3 plus 4 into 10 to the power 0, sorry, 10 to the power 2. Here 0 means nothing. You can simply what? 0, you can write down this is also 0 into 10 to the power 1 and 0 into 10 to the power 1 and 4 into 10 to the power 0 means 4 only. So I can write this one 4 into 10 to the power 0. See, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 to the power 5. Then 7, write down the 7 plus 7. 7, after 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So then 9, 1, 2, 3. So 3, 4. Then 2, then 0, 1, then 4. This is 4 into 10 to the power 0 means 1 only. So you can write the same only. So you can write down. Or you can write this part as a means what? Direct 4 only, or either this part you can write what? 4 to the power 0, or you can write this much only. This is or this you can write. Depends on you only. Write down please. Now question number 6 first. This is your last question. It is given that find the number from each of the expand form. Means this is your given number. So this is given exponential form. You have to change into expanded form. Means you have to first of all you have to write 3 into 10 to the power 4 means what? 3 10 to the power 4 means 0 0 0 0. 7 into 10 to the power 2 means after 7 I can write 2 means 100, or you can write 10 means what? 10,000. So here 10 into 10 means 100. So I can write 7 into 100 means 700. This is 5 to the power 10 to the power 0 means what? 10 to the power 0 means 1. So I can write what? 1 30,000 plus 700 plus 5 means 30. Add it what? 705. This is your required answer. So this is all about your powers and exponent, means exponent and power. So you have to study nicely, and first of all the laws of exponent, these are the very important things. So you have to expand, means you have to study nicely, subscribe my channel, and wish thank you for